Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can do a facial at home using this amazing facial kit from Oriflame Love Nature, which is a nourishing facial kit. It consists of 4 products and it has got a cleansing gel, it has got a face scrub and a face mask with a massaging cream. So you have got 4 products inside. I'm going to talk and share the steps, and moreover it's written on the back and side of the packaging. So yeah, let's get started. So before starting your facial, make sure your hands are clean and make sure that you sanitize them before doing your facial procedures. So yeah, I'm doing the same. So now I've taken this wet sponge and I'm just dabbing it all over my face and making sure that my face is wet before I apply the cleanser. You can also apply water at this stage. So we start the first step by applying this nourishing face wash. So this cleanser comes in a milky cream formula, as you can see. So I've taken a very bit amount. So just apply it all over your face and trust me, the smell is just amazing. And just start the massage. So just apply your fingers, don't put the pressure of your palm on your skin. Just use your fingers to do the massage and don't forget your neckline. While I'm cleansing my face, I'm quickly going to share with you guys what ingredients this kit has got. So the Love Nature Nourishing Facial Kit comes with the goodness of organic guarana, papaya and pineapple, which is full of antioxidants, and furthermore it's biodegradable and silicone free. The rinse off formulation that we acquire from this product are good for nature too, and it does not hamper any part of the nature. And if we talk about the ingredients and its properties, then we are getting the antioxidant properties from guarana, we are getting vitamin properties from papaya, and we are getting exfoliant properties from pineapple. And this facial kit is just amazing because it's also sustainable for our environment, because it's 100% silicone free and biodegradable. So now that I'm done with my cleanser, I'll quickly wash my face with water and it's time for the face scrub. So now we come to the second stage of our facial regime. So we use a scrub at this stage. So the scrub that I'm using is in a gel based formula, as you can see as I'm applying. So for the scrub, we'll apply a very mild pressure of our fingertips and we'll massage it for 4 to 5 minutes. And now the question comes, why do we need a scrub? So scrub acts as an exfoliating properties on our skin. So using a scrub to exfoliate your face, it cleanses and unclogs your pores, which in turn can also prevent you from getting pimples. That's because clogged pores trap oil under our skins, and which leads to acne breakouts. And also because exfoliating gets rid of dead skin cells as well as extra dirt, it makes our skin tone brighter and evens it out. So our face will get a nice little glow. Since exfoliating your face eliminates the dead skin on top, it lets your cleanser, moisturizer and other products penetrate more deeply and can work better. So here I'm done with my scrubbing, so I'll quickly wash my face with water. So now we are ready for our third step, where we use this massaging cream and we'll just take a bit and apply it on our face. The smell of this cream is just amazing, and trust me, you will love it on your skin. So now the question comes, why do we need a massaging cream? So a facial massage exercises the face muscles and gets the blood moving to create an even skin tone. It definitely clears out our pores and allows our skincare product to penetrate better. Facial massage also helps drain the stagnant fluid that causes puffiness on our face. But yes, do remember, don't massage it for more than 10 to 15 minutes because our skin might loosen up. So now I'm done with the massaging part. So I'll just use wet sponge to wipe off. You can also use a tissue or you can rinse it. So now we come to the fourth step where we apply the face mask. You can apply it with a brush or you can use your fingers to do the same. I'm using this brush. I'll just mention the code number in my description box. So if you need to buy it, you can go and check it out. So leaving your eye and lip area, just apply it all over your face and a bit on your neckline. So why do we need a mask? We need a mask because it can help hydrate our skin. It removes excess oil and helps improve the appearance of our pores. They are also an excellent way to help pull impurity. In short, a face mask acts like a vacuum cleaner that pulls out all the impurities. So just leave the mask for 10 to 15 minutes and just relax. Don't give stress on your skin. So after leaving the mask for 10 to 15 minutes, just wipe it out with a wet sponge, or you can also use a tissue, or you can wash your face with water. So this was the last step of our facial regime. So as I'm wiping it off, you can see my skin looks brighter, my skin is even and there's no patchiness. And for better results, you can use your regular toner, because a toner just cleans the excess amount of mask or any product that your pores might have, and it will also close the open pores, which makes our skin look fresh. So this step is totally optional, where I'm using a booster, or you can call it a serum. So why I'm doing this? Because it gives the extra hydration to your skin. So massage it gently all over your face. You can see there's an extra glow that my face has got. So a booster gives that instant glow. So this is the last and final step where we use a moisturizer, which is very important because it gives that final moisture and hydration to your skin. So I'm using a night cream as I've done the facial at an evening time. So if you're doing it on a morning or daytime, use a day cream. But it's preferable that you do your facial in the evening time or at the night time, because after that your skin can relax and you can feel the freshness. So here I'm done with my facial routine, and you can see the glow my face has got, and I'm just loving it. So this is an amazing facial kit with organic extracts that you can use at your home, and just it's a must buy product. So if you need to know more, you can definitely reach out to me. So thank you so much guys for watching. I had a great time. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe.